Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to underline text in Notion and it's pretty simple. Simply go to your Notion app and select the page that you want to be underline your text and double click on the text or highlight your text. And here you will see some options and here you can see this U option which is indicate underline or here you can also see a key which is Control U. So you can choose this way where so if you simply tap on this option, your text will going to be underlined. As you can see, this text is underlined. Or if you want to remove your underlines from here, simply highlight the text again and tap on that underline option again and this underline symbol is removed. So it's very simple. Hope this video find you helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.